How can a digital tool enhance dairy farm inspections? This video explores the use of eAuditor for inspecting dairy barns and milking facilities. Discover how it ensures quality, safety, and compliance in dairy operations. A dairy barns and milking facilities inspection is a thorough evaluation of farm operations. It focuses on barns, animal housing, and milking parlors. eAuditor provides digital checklists and real-time documentation. It streamlines compliance tracking and non-conformity management. This ensures efficiency and adherence to food safety regulations. The inspection covers facility infrastructure, milking operations, and safety compliance. It assesses barn design, equipment functionality, and sanitation protocols. Worker health and safety are also evaluated. Documentation management is crucial for audit history. This comprehensive coverage ensures regulatory adherence and operational efficiency. In eAuditor, configure digital checklists with farm details and compliance fields. Enable comments for nonconformities and attach photos. Assign corrective actions with deadlines. Use digital signatures for verification. This setup enhances inspection accuracy and accountability. Key areas include equipment maintenance, animal welfare, and legal compliance. Verify farm registration and worker documentation. Assess barn infrastructure and animal comfort. Check milking equipment and hygiene protocols. Each area builds on the last to ensure comprehensive assessment. Evaluate worker health and safety measures, including PPE and training. Inspect waste management and biosecurity protocols. Confirm pest control and disease prevention plans. Ensure environmental compliance records are up to date. These steps protect both workers and livestock. eAuditor provides a structured approach to dairy farm inspections. It ensures quality, safety, and compliance through digital tools. Enhance your dairy operations with efficient inspections and continuous improvement plans.